Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Appwrite, Supabase and Firebase. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Let's start it with Appwrite. It is an open source backend as a service provider, offers authentication, databases, storage, real-time features, great for those wanting control over their server and data privacy. It can be fully modifiable and deployable as needed. It has a free plan and a pro plan starting from $15 and scale plan for $5.99, and it also has an enterprise program. On the other hand, we have Supabase. It is an open source Firebase alternative with a relational PostgreSQL database. Ideal if you prefer SQL over NoSQL, provides authentication, real-time subscription, and file storage. Easy to use with strong SQL integration. It also has a free plan and a pro plan for $25 and a team for $5.99. Next, we have Firebase. Firebase is a Google's proprietary, most widely used base, especially for mobile app. Offers authentication, real-time database, cloud function, and analytics. Excellent documentation and integration with Google ecosystem. It is highly scalable and reliable. Choose Appwrite if you want full control and a flexible open source backend. Choose Supabase if you prefer SQL database with real-time features. Choose Firebase if you want a well-documented, scalable solution, especially for mobile apps.